Hi, this is Rozani, and I wanted to show you today how I added stain to these vines on my rattan dragon staff. I used a Sharpie, a fine-tip Sharpie, to emphasize the creases here. You could see where I drew the lines. And I did this on every part of the vine that had an indentation. Then I took some acrylic paint, burnt sienna, and I applied it as a wash on top of the vines. I just slathered it on there. I did it as a dry brush method first, and then I ended up dampening the brush a little bit and spread it out. So I just slathered it in there all over. And I did this all the way around the vine, from the thick pieces to the thin pieces. And I just had fun with it. I am not a painter, so I do a lot of experimenting. The main thing that I want to accomplish here is to make the vines pop. I want to create a dimension that can stand out. And so I thought I'd give this a try and see how it looks. And we're going to move right along. You can try this technique, or you may have a technique of your own that works best. These are the colors that I like to work with. It takes a while, but it gets the job done. So I added burnt umber to create shadows, and you could see here what I've done. I'm pleased with it. For more dragon videos, please check out my playlist. Thank you.